it looks lifted. Oh my god, no, I'm loving this. I am loving this. Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you are new. So just before I get started, yeah, I know about my lashes. Please don't come for me about my lashes. I'm getting infill soon, so there won't be no false lashes being put on top, because I need my, I need it to be clean. And I know about my nails, so yeah, please don't come for me in them comments, cause I've seen this makeup hack on TikTok and I really want to try it. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm trying the makeup TikTok hack, but I'm actually gonna do it on camera. So I've already went ahead and done my makeup base, so I'm literally just gonna try this hack and see like how it works. So when I see how it works, so I'm going to be using the NARS soft matte concealer, and then for a little bit more of a highlight, I like to go in with the Makeup Revolution Infinite Longwear concealer, and this is in C11.2 and this is in walnut. So I'm literally going to watch it and then let's see.
Do you do your concealer like this and you find it's dragging your face down? Let me show you how to help with that. The reason I'm not a fan of the triangle shape under the eye is because it emphasizes the lowest point of the cheek way too much, in my opinion. So I'm going to show you my preferred method, and also the benefit of this one is that it lifts the face. This is a shape I want you to try. The reason I take it onto the side of the nose is that it gives the nose a natural contour. So I'm going to blend this out and show you the difference. So as you can see, there is...
Okay, so I'm gonna literally try what he just done. Okay, so I'm gonna try it how he done. He literally pull it like right there and then a little bit here. So this is walnut, so I'm gonna take a little bit of walnut and just start to do what he done. And he took it like down the side of his nose as well, didn't he? Just like that. I think I messed up because he didn't take it like right there. And then he just done... I really feel like I need a better brush to be doing this with. I swear I bought a new concealer brush. Do you know what, guys? I just remembered I actually bought a new concealer brush, but yeah, this is just gonna have to do for now. So he just done like a little bit there.
a clear difference. This eye is much more lifted and the highlight isn't on the main focal point of the cheek, whereas this one here, while yes everything's covered and everything, the highlight is right here. There is a lot of product sitting right on the cheek as opposed to under the eye and lifting the face. Try this out and let me know how you go.
So I'm going to take this concealer brush that I like to use. I'm literally just going to blend it. I'm not going to wet my brush because I do want quite a what's the word? Girl, I don't know. Yeah, but I don't. Sometimes it depends. It depends on my mood. Sometimes I'll wet it. Sometimes I won't. Sometimes I use a beauty blender. Sometimes I won't. Yeah. So I'm just gonna use this. Oh my god. Yeah, this is it. Okay, this is cute. Yeah, I like this. I do like this. Yeah, this is a yeah from me, because I can see I can see the difference. Normally when I conceal, I do it the original way that everybody does. Like, you literally pull it right along here on your cheek. But this is giving my face a bit more definition doing it. Girl. So I'm not going to go too far in on my nose on this one, simply because I've got that dreaded piercing bump and I'm trying to get rid of it. And it's not going away just yet. So I'm just trying to avoid that. This is what it looks like when I've done both sides, and I absolutely love it. I love it. So normally, and because this is like one shade lighter than me, I do like to make it a little bit brighter by going on with this with this concealer. So I'm literally just like gonna put a dot, just like so. Right, I'm gonna try to do it in that same technique that guy done it in. But no, I really do like this technique. I like this technique because like he said, it actually lifts your face. Like my face actually looks lifted right now. It doesn't look like, it looks lifted, sis. It looks lifted. Oh my god, no, I'm loving this. I am loving this. Oh my god. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I will come back and tell you guys how I feel about the final result. So yeah, I'll be back. So hey guys, I'm back with my completed makeup look, and I have to admit, I have to admit it, it's actually changed the way my makeup looks. Like, I don't know, it's like, it's different. It's actually like different, but a good different. Like I really do like how it's made my makeup turn out. So normally, like, I feel like I have a lot more cheek space. Does that, guys and girls of the makeup world, does that make any type of sense to you? I feel like I've got more cheek space now, because when I usually do it, when I do it the usual, well, I won't say usual way, but when I do it the popular way, I actually have, like, here is highlighted as well. But now that I've just got it highlighted in the points that he said, I feel like my makeup is more put together. It looks more, it looks like it's supposed to be there. Does that make sense? Does that make any type of sense? I don't know what I'm saying right now, but does that make sense? So I think from now on, I will actually stick to doing my makeup this way. Just so you guys know, I did actually set the highlight with the Ben Nye, sorry, not Ben Nye, my mistake, with the Makeup Revolution Banana D, and this is literally like my go-to for highlighting. I'm not the type to bake. I literally just set it with the powder and done, because I have dry skin, but I'm gonna keep doing it like this, literally. But thank you guys for sharing this journey with me in trying this makeup hack. I will leave all the links down below, so do make sure you check him out as well. This is amazing. Like, it's a breakthrough revolution for me, like, literally. So yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.